Microscope, microscope, microscope show.
Microscope, microscope, microscope show. Microscope, microscope.
Welcome back to Microscope show. We're gonna
Look at our nail. We've looked at our nails in the past.
look at our nails, but I'm gonna clip my
gonna
nails,
clip
and
his
we're gonna
nails.
look at a nail clipper.
On a previous episode, you saw my Thursday nail. As you know, the users or as the subscribers know,
Users.
as the subscribers know, I clip my nails I cut my nails every Sunday, and it's Monday right now. So if you want to see what my nail looks like, and please don't touch me with this thing, but yes, this is what a freshly cut nail looks like, pretty much. This is a new nail. I was putting pressure on my
Can I
nail.
go over here? Okay.
So that's what my nail looks like, cut.
Don't you leave a
yesterday.
little bit of white, or do you go right down to the nub?
No, I do. There's a little bit of white right there. Don't you see?
Well, I mean, this is a day later, so
No, I do leave a little bit of white.
okay.
I don't.
Here's mine. This is I grew these out because I'm gonna cut these. I'm gonna cut it.
Uncut. This is Doug's finger uncut. Or
We'll see if we
Doug's
can
nail uncut.
see if we can film it, but
Do you want me to hit this? Look at that.
so there you go. And then let's look at the nail clipper.
Clipper
This
itself.
might be interesting. This is kind of old, kind of gnarly.
Yeah,
There's the edge.
rusted. Is there any gunk on the inside, or
I don't even know where do I even. I don't know if I've ever even bought nail clippers. It's just something that you just
have all the time?
get. They just show up somehow. Oh look, here's the little logo. Green bell. Look at that logo. It's kind of cool. It's a nice logo. Here is
Amazing that there is a logo on something so sort of, small.
yeah.
How about get a shot of the thing closing? Yeah. Look at that. Chomp right there. Chomps on your nail.
Chomp.
It's hungry for your nail right now. It wants to eat it.
Okay. Maybe you could just
Chomp it.
chomp it for me.
Dude, I'm not going to do a good job because I think you need to have the control. I think I should do this, right? Really? You want me to try it? I'm just going to chomp it?
Yeah, don't slam it down.
Okay, I'll
Okay,
give it
hold
my
on.
best. Ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Do it.
Look at that. Look at that. There's the nail
There's
clipping.
the nail. Nice job.
Put it on the thing on this, and let's just put the microscope just fully over it. Ain't nothing.
Well, that's not much.
That's not
much
much.
going on there.
Should we do one more? One more chomp? Is that getting it?
Get it.
There wasn't anything in there. Your nail wasn't even in that one, or was it?
Yeah, it was.
Oh, it was?
You cut my nail. I don't know. It bounced off somewhere.
It did not.
It did.
There's nowhere to be found.
It's nowhere to be
Let me see.
found.
Is your nail clipped?
Yeah, you clipped it.
No, I can see that wasn't really a clip.
You clipped it. We can roll back the tape if you want. You heard the sound.
Well, I thought it kind of got the end of it or
Look at
something
that
like
perfect edge you just did. You totally clipped it.
that. Oh, maybe.
Maybe
Where'd
it's
it
this.
go? Ugh, is it not me? All right.
Well,
The case of the missing clipping. Hey, that was
they
cool.
do need to invent one that has a
captures all
has
the.
a capturing.
That would be amazing, a
bag
suction
on
thing or
on the
something.
edge or something.
Yeah, that would be great. Hey, that was cool. Thanks.
Well-
Oh, speaking of clip, look at that clip.
You want to look at this chip clip?
We don't need to, but I mean, why don't you put it on your finger? Why don't we clip your finger with it? That'd be kind of funny.
Well, just look at the little teeth on there.
Oh yeah, look at that. That looks like a cool design, doesn't it? Reminds me of the fish. Put your finger in it.
Here's the chip clip.
There it is, biting your finger. How's that feel?
That hurts.
Yeah,
Can you undo it?
yeah.
Oh my god.
Look at that. Look at this. Look at that. Let's do let me see this. Look at that. That's cool. That's kind of cool. Look, that's going on his skin. Look at that. It's like a pillow or something. Look at that.
Okay, lift it out.
That's funny. That's actually pretty funny.
Yeah, that's,
And-
that's a tight clip right here.
Yeah, wait, can you look at it? Let me see that on the naked actually. That's interesting. That's interesting. Yeah. Yeah. How zoomed in is that? Is that 40? Okay.
Well, that's another episode of Microscope Show, and we'll see you next time on
Scope show.
Microscope, Microscope, Microscope Show.
Microscope, microscope, microscope show. Microscope,